All right, so Beaver out today, 4th of July. Inside GoPro, tail cam GoPro. I don't know, always wanted to do it. We'll see. Should be fun. Do some hovering if I can find the beaver. All right. Beaver. Yeah, I have the stock FMS. It works okay. I mean, you really don't need it. But yeah, but what I like about it, the FMS stuff, is unlike the Spectrum bind and flies, you can turn it off. So yeah, it is. And they're, man, from the factory, their gyro gains are set so high. Like I get oscillation on at least one axis on every Spectrum plane that I own. It's usually the yaw, the tail gyro set ridiculously high, and it's, I don't know. I think that's stupid. I think I would rather have a little bit looser of a flying plane, even as a beginner, than have oscillation. But all right.
I bought a gyro for a 3-wing.
Yeah. They're all pretty good now. I mean, the Spectrum stuff is okay. I don't think, the only nice part about it is, for a beginner, is that you just plug it in. You know, it just works. You don't have to configure gains or... Yeah. Like 6 minutes? Okay. One inside facing forward, one tail cam, and then the hat cam. Huh? Try and get behind me? Okay. I'm gonna come down the runway. I'll just hold a level right here if you want to try and get on me. I see you out there. I'm gonna do a low pass. Oh yeah, that's a little breezy. Touch and go. Oh. Back up. Yeah, I'm good. I lost like a massive amount of altitude there all of a sudden. I don't think we had a prop strike, but...
Oh, sounds flappy.
Yeah, it does. Probably bent one of the axles on the wheel. yours is fast. That thing is screaming. You gonna come in behind me?
Coming in?
I'm just gonna do it fast.
Alright.
I got half flat, so you should be able to cruise right by me. Oh yeah, you're way out there.
Yeah, I'm not good at my I got it.
Okay.
I'm not good.
Nice.
Got the wheels for it.
Yeah. The only problem, I need to drill those out and put a thicker axle in it because it still has like a 3/16 or some little puny. It can't take the weight. I just reused the stock axles.
Thinking about getting a couple of things here, but a bush plane.
Yeah, bush planes are fun. You know, if I was gonna buy something right now, I'd buy that freaking Super Timber, the yellow one.
The 1.7?
Yeah, because it's got the wing from the Timber X. So I've got a Timber Evo and I love it. It's a great plane, but the roll rate is like this. It's just horrible. And you know, I like to be able to flat spin, you know, knife edge. I like to throw it around a little bit. And the regular Timber, I mean, you can make a sandwich while you're doing a barrel roll. It's just horrible. But I had the twin Timber, which has that same wing. Man, that thing, it was impressive roll. It's a little pricey. I mean, you know, I had the FMS Super Cub 1.7, and it was good.
I want to say it was white, had some black decal on it.
Motors armed.
Can't remember who made it though. Maybe FMS?
Yeah, they've got two. The Cub I had was black and white, had like little mountain stencil on the side. It was okay. Flew great. Roll rate wasn't the greatest, but you know, it's a Cub. Yeah, you definitely need the bush wheels. I'm having to work the elevator quite a bit there. I mean, you can definitely hear it. I mean, that's about full throttle there. Man, that wind is brutal. Yeah, I would pack it up. Yeah, that's ridiculous. That's just stupid. I fly about 25 to 30% on everything, 100% rates. Okay, come on, baby, you can do it. Yeah, I'm gonna get a one wheel. Come on, ah! Yeah, there's a guy that slope soars sailplanes over there. And he said you could stay up basically forever. I've never owned a sailplane or tried it, but it seems like it would be cool. Yeah, I think it is, Steve. Shit, yeah, you probably could. Yeah, when I bank into the turn there, you can see it almost wants to slip. There's so much wind. Woo! Those bushes will create a little bit of turbulence too. Yeah, normally I'd fly a lot lower than this, but with that turbulence, it's definitely not cool. Try a fast pass. See if I can fold it over.
Altitude 158 feet. Altitude 154 feet. Landing flat.
Try a slow pass. Probably go a little slower if I have more consistent wind, but
Flaps out.
I mean, that's full roll right there.
Right here,
It's got a lot of weight in the nose. That battery's all the way forward.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Oh, that dug in a little there. Yeah.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, that was full flaps with full elevator. I'm on my voltage warning, so it probably could have taken off a little quicker than that if I had full battery, but I also got 250 grams of GoPro on there. Yeah, probably bring it in. Well, let me see if I can get one more knife edge. Yeah, she is not happy with the voltage. No. Do a little slippy slip. Yeah, it's a baby with, I mean, it's a baby. It's a good plane. I wish it had a tiny bit more power, but I don't know. I'm like you. I want, 2 to 1, 3 to 1. Yeah,
Those wings come off, right?
Yeah, yeah, they're quick to attach. 4 screws, and then you got the 2.